Davian at A&D Homestead, and today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about some wild edibles. So another plant that you should be able to find in your yard, this one's not as common, but it's still widely available, is burdock. So this is burdock that's in its first year. Some of them, when they go to their second year, because they're biennial plants, they will have burrs. So similar to Velcro, they stick on your clothes. That's where they have their seeds and flowers. But while it's in its first year like this and doesn't have the seed stalk coming up, this is when you want to harvest the root. So the stem and the root of this plant is edible. The stem you can make a broth of, you cook it up in a soup. And the root you can also put in soup. It's the same thing as gobo. So you can put it in stir fries. It's actually pretty yummy.